Gooney Bird paused. Questions? He said. Keiko raised her hand. I was waiting for the bad part. She said, I was going to cover my ear. What bad part? Asked Gooney Bird. You know, Keiko whispered, where the cow came man. Gooney Bird looked surprised. The cow didn't eat caveman. The cow hardly noticed the caveman is there. The cow eats white flowers. But you said, Keiko said. Yes, you said, Malcolm called. Mr. President, remember the title of the story, children? He said. They all tried. How a cow ate caveman, Barry Tuckerman called up. Wow. How caveman got eaten up by a cow? Trisha said. Mrs. Pigeon shook her head. She picked up her notebook. I wrote them down. She told them. Beloved caveman is consumed by the cow. Let me finish. Gooney Bird suggested. She went on with the end of the story. That night, the farmer and his wife turned on a TV and saw an interview with a little girl who rode a flying carpet. If anybody finds the cat, the little girl, it was Gooney Bird. Said, please call the TV station. So Mr. Henry, his Chino fan, and the farmer called. I have the cat here in my barn, he said. Orange and white cat, no tail. But I gotta tell you, he said. I don't think you're ever able to take away. It won't leave my cow. Won't leave your cow? The TV lady said. She sounded puzzled. Nope, said the father. Wouldn't even live for tuna fish. We had to take the tuna fish and put right beside the cow. Why? Happens sometime. The farmer explained. I guess you'd call it something like love. That cat don't like to consumed by the cow. And is the cow consumed by the cat? The TV lady said, nope. The cow doesn't care one way or another. But she doesn't step on her. She's a careful cow. The TV people called Gooney Bird and her parents. They told her where caveman was, and the caveman was consumed by the cow. So Greene family drove their car back to the meadow and visited caveman. Caveman was nice to them, but they couldn't tell he was not consumed by the Greene family. He was consumed only by the cow. So they kissed him goodbye. Then they hugged and kissed and the farmer and his wife, and they all sang Farmer in the Dale, and danced in circles on their tiptoes. They all lived happily ever after. The end. I love happy ending, Keiko said with a sigh. Me too, Mrs. Pigeon said. Mrs. Pigeon said, thank you, Gooney Bird. Let's get out our arithmetic book now, class. Everyone, class. I know, Mr. Pigeon said, laughing. It's much more fun to listen to Gooney Bird stories, but we can look for a word tomorrow. have another one tomorrow. Gooney Bird gone back her desk and taken out her arithmetic book. She looked up with surprise. No, actually, I won't, she said. That was my last story. The second grade, almost everyone of them called, "No!" in very loud, sad voice. It was a huge choir singing.
It sounded like
called, "No!" Mrs. Peter looked horrified. But Gooney Bird, she said, we still have a lot of unanswered questions. Like what? Said Gooney Bird. Well, let me see. Miss Peter frowned. The false teeth, Nicholas said. Yes, Mr. Peter said. Why did your father have 43 sets of false teeth? That's a story you happen to tell. Gooney Bird looked surprised. That's not a story, said the simply requires dictionary. You have a one right there on your desk, Miss Pigeon. Mrs. Peter reached for her dictionary. Look up this word. Gooney Bird said she pronounced the word very carefully. Prostodontist. My goodness, Miss Pigeon read this definition. It's a special kind of dentist. He makes false teeth. Actually, exactly. Gooney Bird said, that's what my father is. No story there. But we want more story, Gooney Bird. Barry Tuckerman said in loud voice. As usual, he was standing up with one knee on his desk chair. Gooney Bird sighed impatiently. I need to do my arithmetic, she said. I'm not very good at subtraction yet. But all right. Sit down, Barry. Close the dictionary, Miss Pigeon. I will tell you how to get stories. Now this is the end of chapter 6, and next label you will see Gooney Bird chapter 7.